Hey everyone. Today's Tuesday tip is for anybody who is considering the possibility of maybe wanting to move in 2020. And honestly, even if it's not 2020, if it's in the next 2 to 3 years, this is my best advice that I can give you. Start doing stuff now. One of the things that makes a home sell the fastest, yes, I can give you all the staging tips and advice in the world, and I can tell you, or I don't even need to tell you, I'm sure you can go onto Pinterest to see all kinds of ways to make your house look really cute and show well, and all of that is great. But guess what? If we get to inspection and it's discovered that your house is filled with deferred maintenance everywhere, it's a good possibility that that quick sale may lead to it coming back on the market. So what I really want you to focus on is things that are important to a buyer, things that aren't really the fun things to do. Now, this is kind of a tough topic because if you have a 10-year-old water heater, but it works perfectly, I don't think that you need to go out and replace your water heater. But when the inspection happens, that inspector's probably going to say that the average life of a water heater is around 10 years old. We all know that a water heater can last a lot longer than that. So, you know what? A buyer can put a home warranty on it and they can take that as an expense that they will have to have as the new homeowners. But what I don't want you to forget about are the important things such as making sure that your furnace is serviced every year, making sure that it is in good working order. If your furnace is 30 years old, you're probably going to have to replace your furnace. And it's much better for you to do it before you sell your home to help yield that return on investment than to wait until your house is on the market, you get feedback that your furnace is one of the reasons why your home is not selling, and you end up having to replace it anyways. Get your windows that are stuck shut, get them opened. Get all of the plumbing, if you have a random sink that's been leaking or things like that, start getting everything taken care of so that your home is in good shape. If your countertops are chipped or need maintenance to them, you know what? Get them taken care of now. Don't make a new homeowner coming in have to take on all of those small little maintenance items that you as a homeowner should be taking on. I will put a full list of things that I recommend up on the blog, but that's my Tuesday tip for today, that if you're considering selling in the next year or the next couple of years, start going through your home and figuring out if you were going to stay there for the next 10 to 15 years, what would you want done and what would you want to take care of? Don't list your home expecting to pass that on to the next homeowner because you don't want to have to deal with it. As always, let me know if you have any questions.